And of course, using the most high-tech brackets in the world, zip ties.
Shamrock Creek.
Ooh, nice, beautiful morning today. Got some sun. It's supposed to be kind of overcast today, but no rain. And I think it's gonna get up into the mid to high 60s, which is great for this time of year. So getting the gutters up on the fire pit cover. So I just started on this side. This is really tricky because there's like no eaves or no fascia board or anything on these buildings to strap gutters to, and I haven't found any like custom straps that they make or mounting brackets or anything. So what I had to do was kind of wing it. If you look on here, you can see there's like the gutter sits out here and there's really nothing to mount it to here. There's no brackets that come out, right? So what I got was hanging strap brackets for aluminum gutters, or steel gutters. I didn't want to do steel because it's problem with steel is like you have to seal the seams, and then I don't want those chemicals in the water in case we decide to use it for catchment, and it's just a pain in the ass. So I went with vinyl. Probably lasts forever, but I got the other side up. I'm on this side. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. It just took two 10-foot pieces, one connection, and then we're gonna, on the end, let me show you over here. On the ends, then I'm just gonna come out of an elbow here, and we're gonna go straight into this 3-inch PVC drain pipe down here, and then we'll just, for the moment, we're just gonna drain it off the hill here. That gets all the water out of this area because it's been sheeting under the building. That gets it out of the way for now. So I'm gonna put in this side pipe here, and then we'll run and do the other side. Let me show you the straps I used. So this is just standard 5-inch vinyl gutter. These straps here are, there's a metal bracket here that connects under the lip here and then screws onto the other side. And then this strap just locks in, and then you just screw it in. I'm just using those little rubber grommeted screws that they use on these buildings. And just strapped it in there. And then sometimes, in some cases, it wants to swing out a little bit. So what I did is I just drove a screw straight in the upper side of the gutter right into the building, which keeps it from swinging out. So I'm actually not even going to PVC glue any of the joints on this 3-inch pipe. It's not really going to matter for now. And then since we're going to redo it eventually when we do water catchment for this area, it'll just be easier to take apart and reuse some of it. But the glue won't really matter. We're not trying to worry about if it leaked, which it won't. It wouldn't matter anyway, since it's just draining water off the roof. So. The only thing I don't like about vinyl cutters is these little cheap ass plastic things that you have to use to kind of bend around to get to the downspout. They're okay, but like they're hard to mount and stuff. So I think when we get ready to do the actual water catchment, I'm actually probably going to replace this and go PVC straight out of the back of that and use actual PVC elbows and stuff, so it's all solid. But and we'll do the same thing on the building. But for now, this will work. But avoid these if you can. So only thing left on this side is just this little end cap. It's stupid how this is designed. You actually have to have a little piece of gutter here. The caps won't fit on this downspout. But I have at the other property, I have some spare gutter pieces, so I'm going to bring one back next time. We'll chop a little chunk there and put the end on. But the way this works here, unless water is coming down here at full speed, it'll go down here rather than shoot out here because there's a pretty steep drop back down and back up here. So not too worried about it. Okay.